Hey there, Boots Owen here. It's a Bosch Exxcel 7 1400 Express. Let's have a look at a number, E number WAE 28468GB/20 FD89, making it 2009 June, making it 2026 now, 17 years old. It's an old washing machine. Let's have a look at how to do the filter down here on the right on the front. With your finger, pop that open. You can remove that if you want. If you're indoors, you can pop this fellow out, get your finger, just pop that out, and any juice that's in it should drain free. It looks to be dry to me, which is good. And then with the pliers, take the handle of the pliers, use that as a grips to open it. You don't have to, you could just use your fingers, but some people tell me in my other videos that it's beyond them. I had a bit of a spring to it, so it feels like there's something in there. What's going on? Nothing in it. Put my finger into all of this. Why is it springy? Feels okay. It's clean. Screw it back up again. Well, as far as it'll go in this case. Can't go any tighter. Pop that back on there, and you're done. A Bosch Exxcel 7 1400 Express. If it won't pump out, something might be stuck in there. Easy peasy. If it's full of water, all that water is going to come out on your floor, so you want to have a load of towels or get that hose into a bowl, something like that. Questions or comments, leave them below. Thanks for watching. See you later.